Binary options, the best entry strategy and what are the best services. Nwawure Baranua here, welcome to another video. Ensure you leave on this video, subscribe, comment and share this video. Let's continue. Binary options beat all other trading methods. Why binary options online trading? Why this online platform? You have many questions. This is okay. We have many answers. What are binary options and how does work? Here is a new trading instrument, binary options. It allows you to open short-term trades and enjoy up to 95% profit. Often, DERIV.com users use deals with a profit of 10% to 40%. They understand that it is better to open hundreds of deals and take 10% from each one than to wait for 95%, because everything may not go according to plan. Online platform will teach you how to fix profit. You will quickly understand how financial maturity works. Sometimes it is better to take away 40% of the profit than to expect 95%. You choose the expiration time, which can even be 10 seconds. As a result, your forecast for the dynamics of the asset price should be fulfilled. In that case, you will get profit with binary options. You can use both mobile and PC. DERIV.com has thought about every potential user to make their trading convenient. If you don't have an account, check the link in the description and register a free demo account. You can proceed to register a free real account where you can take off great trade and make sumptuous profits. Let's continue. What is binary options strategy and which one to choose? There are different strategies. There are more winning strategies than it seems. You need to test your plan and trade based on the analysis. For example, download the binary options free demo and enjoy a guided tour to the world of winning trading. Try binary options free demo to make sure everything works. That is why it is time to think over your strategy and register a binary options account and trade profitably. A link already provided in the description of this video. How to binary option trading is as simple as possible and does not require buying assets in all directions. Only the price chart is important in binary options. You select an asset and start predicting the price movement, up or down. Thus, using the binary options tool, you do not pay huge commissions, do not buy assets, do not worry about the deposit, risking everything. You can open deals even from $10, with the opportunity to earn 95%. And all this is allowed by 60-second binary options. If you wish, you can choose a shorter time, from 10 seconds. Registration is simple, and depositing the first funds to the balance is even easier. For a start, you can try the demo version, but remember that here every victory you win is earning virtual funds. Better to risk real money, but also to make real money and not waste time. Despite all these, be aware that trading is a risky business and you should only trade with a capital you can afford to lose, as it is a win or lose business. Be sure you subscribe to Nwawure Baranua's channel. Give this video a thumbs up and see you in next video.